Today I am going to talk about WordPress, which is one of the most popular platforms for building website in the world. I will explain what WordPress is, why it is so popular, how it works, and how it can be used for business, freelancing, and career growth. Introduction to WordPress. WordPress is a content management system, also known as a CMS. A CMS is a tool that allows people to create, manage, and update websites without needing deep technical or programming language. WordPress was first launched in 2003 as a blogging platform, but over time it has evolved into a complete website building solution. Today, WordPress is used to build blogs, business websites, portfolios, news sites, learning platforms, and even large e-commerce sites stores. According to global statistics, more than 40% of all websites on the internet are built using WordPress. This shows how powerful and reliable this platform is. Why WordPress is so popular. One of the main reasons WordPress is so popular is because it is free and open source. This means anyone can download it, use it, and even modify its code according to their needs. Another reason is that WordPress is very user friendly, especially for beginners. People do not need to be professional developers to create a website with basic computer knowledge. Anyone can build a website using WordPress. It also has a very large community of developers and users, so help and tutorials are easily available online. WordPress.com versus WordPress.org. There are two main versions of WordPress, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.com is a hosted platform. This means hosting, security, and maintenance are handled by WordPress itself. It is good for beginners, but it has limitation in customization and plugins. WordPress.org is a self-hosted platform. In this case, users need to buy their own domain and hosting. However, it provides full control over the website. User can install any theme or plugins, customize the design, and even edit the code. This is why WordPress.org is preferred for professional website business and freelancing. Theme in WordPress. Theme play a very important role in WordPress. A theme control the design and layout of a website. This include colors, fonts, header, footers, page layouts, and overall appearance. There are thousands of free and premium themes available. Popular themes like Astra, Ocean WP, and Hello Elevator are widely used because they are fast, lightweight, and customizable. Choosing the right theme is important because it affects website speed, user experience, and SEO. Plugins in WordPress. Plugins are used to add functionality to a WordPress website. Without plugin, WordPress will be very basic. Plugins allow website to have contact form, SEO tools, security system, backups, and much more. Some common plugins include SEO plugins like Yoast or Navigate, page builder like Elementor, security plugins like WordPress, speed optimization plugin like WP Rocket, e-commerce plugin like WooCommerce. Plugins make WordPress very flexible and powerful. Website development process using WordPress. While building a website using WordPress, there is a proper process. First, we understand the purpose of the website and client requirements. Then we purchase a domain and hosting. After that, WordPress is installed on the server. Next, we choose a suitable theme and install necessary plugins. Then we create pages such as home, about, services, and contact. After adding content, images, and values, the website is tested for performance, responsiveness, and errors before final delivery. WordPress and SEO. WordPress is considered SEO friendly. It supports clean URL, proper heading structure and mobile responsiveness with the help of SEO. With the help of SEO plugins, users can easily optimize titles, meta description, keywords, and sitemaps. SEO is very important because it helps website rank higher on search engine like Google. WordPress make SEO easier even for beginners. Website speed and performance. Website speed is a critical factor for user experience and search engine ranking. WordPress website can be optimized by using lightweight themes, optimized image, caching plugins, and good hosting service. Remove unnecessary plugins and keeping WordPress updated also help improve performance. A fast website keep visitors engaged and reduce bounce rate. Security in WordPress. Security is another important aspect of WordPress. Since WordPress is very popular, it can also be a target for hackers. However, with proper security measures, WordPress website can be very safe. Using strong passwords, regular updates, security plugins, backups, and SSL certificates can protect website from threats. WordPress provides a secure environment if managed properly. WordPress for business. WordPress is widely used for small and large business. It is cost effective, scalable, and easy to manage. Business can update their content, products, or services without depending on developers all the time. With WooCommerce, WordPress can be turned into a full e-commerce store. This makes it a great choice for online business, freelancing, and career opportunities. WordPress offers many career and early opportunities. People can work as freelance WordPress developer, designer, or website manager. Others earn through blogging, affiliate marketing, theme development, or plugin development. Beginner can start by learning basics and creating demo website. With practice and experience, WordPress can become a long-term career. Future of WordPress. The future of WordPress looks very bright with continuous updates, new features like Gutenberg editor, and strong community support. WordPress is constantly improving as more business move online. The demand for WordPress professional will continue to grow. Conclusion. In conclusion, WordPress is a powerful, flexible, and user-friendly platform. It is suitable for beginners, professionals, business, and freelancers with the right skill and practice. WordPress can help people build websites, grow business, and create successful careers. Thank you.